How to crochet 3D rose flower. Hello friends, welcome to Sweet Stitch channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 3D rose flower. This flower has 4 layers. The first 3 layers has 4 petals and the fourth layer has 8 petals. Let's get started. First, start with 5 chains. Join with a slip stitch and make 3 chains. Make 15 double crochet inside the ring. Join with a slip stitch and make 4 chains. Skip 1 chain and make single crochet in the next stitch. Then make 4 chains. Skip 1 stitch and make single crochet in the next one. Make 4 chains. Skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next one, and so on. Join with a slip stitch and make 1 chain. Make single crochet in the same place. In the next space, make 9 double crochet. Make 1 single crochet in the next space. Then 9 double crochet in the next space, and so on. Join with a slip stitch. Now we have made the 4 petals of the flower. Make 1 chain and start working in the back side of the flower. Make post single crochet and 4 chains. Post single crochet and 4 chains until you finish this row. Join with a slip stitch and make 1 chain. Make 1 single crochet in the first space. Make 10 double crochet in the next space. In this row, make 1 single crochet in one space and 10 double crochet in the next space all around. Join with a slip stitch and make 1 chain. Start working in the back side of the flower again. Make 1 post single crochet and 4 chains. Then make 1 post single crochet and 4 chains again, and so on. Join with a slip stitch and make 1 chain. Make 1 single crochet in the first space. Make 12 double crochet in the next space. Make 1 single crochet in the next space. Make 12 double crochet in the next space, and so on. Join with a slip stitch and make 1 chain. Make 1 post single crochet and 4 chains. One post single crochet and 4 chains again, and so on. Join with a slip stitch and make 1 chain. In each space in this round, make 1 single crochet, 8 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now join with the slip stitch and fasten off. Now you've got a wonderful rose, has 4 petals in 3 layers and 8 petals in the 4th layer. I hope you enjoyed in this video guys. Please support the channel with subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.